I've always had an interest in sports and being active my whole life. To me, I kind of see orthopedics as just getting people back to their their normal, kind of restoring motion and getting them back to their normal activities, whether it's sporting or just moving or just doing the kind of day-to-day activities. And I mean, a lot of times they come in and they're almost kind of heartbroken if they have an injury and they were planning a big race, or they were planning they get hurt in practice and they can't make the game, or they used to do a lot of stuff with their family or hiking, and then get arthritis. I think one of the best things I like about orthopedics is that most of the time, we see a problem, we're able to fix it, and people feel better. You come in with an injury, whether it's, most of the time it's not even something that needs surgery, it's just chronic, repetitive type thing, and usually with some conservative treatment you can get better. And if it's something that's a little more extensive, it requires surgery.